it? Did you get it?
Sorry.
I can barely see your body.
Oh.
That one's gonna fly away, Tyler.
Hurry. Shine your light on it. Yes. Okay, go.
Die, little moth.
Oh my gosh, who was in there?
Hurry!
What? Oh, sorry.
What if it flies away? Here.
I feel bad.
Tyler, come grab my camera and do a close up.
Is it on?
It's recording.
Oh.
It's recording.
As we're in the wilderness of Nabualu.
No, we're in Navave.
Navave. That's dead. And we have this man.
Ah!
Still crawling.
No, that was the wind.
No, still crawling. Okay. Now they're gonna